Everyone, it's me, Mohammed Iqbal Khan, and I just want to tell you that the situation is very pandemic about the coronavirus. It is the most horrible and the most saddest moment which I guess the global is going through a bit of pain, bit of problem from Italy to United States of America, after from UK towards the Iran, Southeast Asia to the American sides. Everyone is facing a lot of disturbance in climatic changes. As we know, is also a big factor. The how the ozone layer is changed its shapes is also a big factor behind this coronavirus and diseases is another factor which also change the people's behavior, the way the peoples are being locked down globally. Most of the countries have planned to lock down their cities and their countries in which there are the societies which are working to help the community according to what you United Nations guided them under the WHO guidelines, regardless about the coronavirus. I just want to say that it is a time when politically and globally there is a no politics should be played. If there is a politics of which disintegrate humanity, so it should be abolished through wisdom and through harmony on the basis of humanity's survival basis. As the it is an alarming situation how the humanity is going through this improvising this enigmatic this situation of the coronavirus. I just want to say to the whole world that it's time that we all lock down the whole globally, just in a sense that whole coronavirus should be disintegrated. That will be helpful for the humanity survival and which will be beneficial for the peoples of the world and will help our generations and help our economy to grow well and to growth according to the way it would be, because their life is so challenging. There are so many challenges in life. The people I just read, there are people say that 2019 was a year of avoiding negative people, and 2020 is a year of giving away the positive people from your side. Means the people are thinking that 2021 will be a year when the world will not be not so much will be here. So it is not a case of disintegrating the or discouraging your life. It is a part of making your consciousness and subconsciousness united, not only as individuals but also politically, psychologically, socially, economically. When we help each other as a humanitarian kind of a positive gesture we give to our whole people, as we are all servants of nature, as we believe on this that the pain of every person is equal as the pain of the other person, regardless his caste, creed, color, country, or even their thinking. The pain is the similarity. The blood is color is same, and we all believe that life is too short, and we are all live in this world in a short period of time, but we live in this world with a safe in a positive way. So when we go and out of this life, when we get ultimate freedom or death, you can say that ultimately that is the best result of our in this body. So we will go with the happiness that we did something positive for this humanity, that we give our positive potential in a positive way that helped global according to the need is necessary when it's definitely needed. So I just want to say, please motivate everyone, stay in home, wash your hands, use sanitizers, do not be together, not waste your time, read books, but no, but also think about positivity, what you can do after when we give inshallah defeat to this coronavirus by the blessing of God, by the blessing of our creator. It is our test which we are passing through this coronavirus, nothing more than this. And we are all united at this moment. This life is our best way to make our sensible things, give positive time to you, to your kids, to your wife, to your brother and sister, to your, especially to your parents, mother and father, who work for you whole their lives. And this is the moment you make your quality time. The quality time is the best source of this coronavirus. The crux is that coronavirus is damaging for us. But if you live in a curtinas, then make this curtina a valuable curtina for your life that comes and belong to your to you in the future. And next time in this what I just want to say to the scientists and all the innovators and all the people who work for the humanity, all the agencies, that be aware of such kind of diseases, and to avoid such kind of disease politically, religiously and psychologically. They have to make some strategies for the development, so that when our generation face such kind of diseases, they should not be disintegrated like we are. Mostly or largely people are disintegrated in this period, in this span of coronavirus. We have seen this disease is pandemic not only externally but internally in homes. The people there are so many divorce cases are